Hello, my name is Tiffany. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be talking about what are coding bootcamps, specifically what are full-time coding bootcamps. I went to a coding bootcamp myself. I went last year to a coding bootcamp called Coding Dojo. It was a full-time immersive coding bootcamp, and so I wanted to kind of just start a series based on all around coding bootcamps. And right now I'm just going to talk about what specifically coding bootcamps are. So stay tuned. Coding bootcamps are a fast-paced learning environment. They are built for those individuals that maybe have already been in the career in one place and they want to change to another career in another place. So that's who they're built for, essentially. Full-time coding bootcamps are basically you don't work, your job is this bootcamp. It's a full-time job. And so normally people choose to quit their jobs and do this for a few months, and basically what you're going to be doing while you're there is coding. Like, that's the whole point. The point of a full-time immersive bootcamp is to basically get you into coding so that you're coding every single day and that you are using code every day so that you get more comfortable with it. What you could expect is to spend most of your day and some of the night working with others and being in this space of just learning. Full-time coding bootcamps are really cool because they're going to allow you to be able to have that hands-on instructor ready for you. And so if you have questions along the way, they're going to be the ones to be able to help you through your questions. So and that really helps out a lot. I think that was the main benefit for me, was that I was able to go to instructors, I was able to go to classmates or what have you, and have that have them there to answer my questions and just to be there to help me learn it all. Another aspect of a full-time coding bootcamp is not only is it just having your questions answered, but it's the experience of being in a room of people in a classroom environment. If you look around as you're in a coding bootcamp full-time, you'll see everybody's kind of just, they're typing it out, they're working through their problems, some of them together, some of them individually, and it's really cool to see. A great thing with being able to have other people there with you is that you're going to be able to work with them later on projects and just life in general. A few of us decided to get together and create a hackathon together called First Hack Dallas, so that things like that wouldn't have been able to come about if we wouldn't have been through the boot camp together. So I think it's important to have that as well, because especially when you're out looking for jobs, I know I've been in positions where I see jobs and I'm like, well, I'm not looking for this type of job, but maybe somebody else I know is looking for this job. And so it's a really good networking tool as well to be able to have that experience, to grow together. A lot of those who go to coding boot camps are starting out with zero, and so it's a really good idea to have that experience with others that are starting at the same starting point as you are. Another great thing about full-time coding boot camps is being able to code all day. Like, that's your job. That's what you're doing. You're coding all day. And so I advise you, if you do not know anything about code and you're like, I'm going to join a full-time coding bootcamp, I urge you to go try free resources first. Go to freecodecamp.com. Log on to Codecademy. Try some there. Try some coding there. Try out these free resources before you completely dump yourself into this, because it's a career change, And if you are not here for the career change, then you're wasting everyone's time, really, including your own. So I would definitely encourage you to try out free resources before you fully commit to a full-time immersive program, because you're going to be coding all day. It's fun, but only if it's something that you enjoy. So that's all the information I have about what are coding boot camps. Hopefully I've answered your question about what full-time immersive coding boot camps are. I will do more of these videos detailing my experiences further into the Coding Bootcamp series. My next video is going to be on the application process, so stay tuned for that one, and I thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Bye.